Blackberry Pearl Take-Apart Guide. On the right hand side you will have the volume rocker, as well as a convenience key, which is primarily a camera button. At the top of the phone is the mute button. And on the left hand side you have a convenience button, the memory slot, as well as the USB and headphone jacks. In the back of the phone you can see the LED flash and camera, and on the bottom the battery release button. To begin, you will need to take off the battery cover, and then take out the battery. Now use a very thin pry tool to pry off the bottom plastic piece. There are 4 clips that have to be released, 2 on the back and 2 in the front. Once the back clips are released, flip it over and pry on the front to release them. Once the 4 clips have been released, you can simply pull off the cover. This cover reveals 2 more screws, one being covered by a white void sticker. Removing this will void your warranty. The screws are a T6. Use your Torx 6 screwdriver to remove these screws. After the 2 T6 screws in the front have been removed, then flip it over and remove the 2 in the back. The back 2 screws are also T6. Now use your then pry tool to pry off the 2 side covers. Now use your then pry tool to pry up the clips on each side of the phone. There are 4 clips in all, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Once these 4 clips have been released, then the black plastic frame will come loose. Now simply just separate the motherboard from the front plate. You'll notice that the keyboard assembly will just pop out of place. Now use your then flat tool to lift up the tape that covers the display cable connection on the motherboard. Then just lift up on the lock mechanism like this. Now gently use your then flat tool to pry off the LCD from the motherboard. The LCD is held on with adhesive to the motherboard. Once one side is loosened, then flip it over and gently pry on the other. Once the adhesive has been separated, then the LCD will come loose.